to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, it's going to be an insane pantry declutter and organized transformation. To be completely honest with you guys, I filmed this video back in April of this year, but I was hesitant to share it because I don't have like the Pinterest ready pantries. It still have those builder-grade wire shelving, and it's just such a mess. I can't believe I let it get this bad. But I'm hoping with me sharing, it'll motivate you guys to kind of use what you have and do what works best for you and your family. If you've been here for a while, you know I've been focusing on decluttering my life this year. I try to tackle one area at a time in our house, and the pantry was one of those places that desperately needed it. I couldn't even tell you how long things been there or what was in there. It had really became a serious problem, and we just really needed to take time to work on it. I think this took me about 3 days or so. There's a lot of stopping and going. We are parents of 2 little kids, so it takes a lot. Once everything was removed, I did get in there and clean. I had to sweep first, and then there are a couple stains that were hard to get off, so I had to go in using my little Dawn vinegar and water little spray. So that's what I was doing before I can mop and wait for it to dry. I did purchase quite a bit of organizing containers on Amazon, and I picked a few items from Home Goods and Ross. Anything that I can list down below, I'll be sure to do that for you if you're interested. But I wanted to share that I do wash these containers prior to putting any food inside of them. And as they were drying, I was starting to sort out some of the items and what containers will be best to use them for. I realized once I removed the inserts of the containers, I could no longer remember the size. So to make sure I would remember moving forward, I wrote them in the back so I wouldn't forget. And then I also saw this hack on Instagram where you just cut the label of the item and using clear tape to tape it on the back of the container, keep track of the expiration dates. So I thought that was pretty cool. If I can find who I first saw it from on Instagram, I definitely want to give a shout out and give credit to them. I'll list that in the description box.
about to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts.
You guys, I just love these clear organizing bins and the containers. I feel like it has made such a big difference. It's easy for us to know what we have, what needs to be rotated or restocked. And also, it's just really aesthetically pleasing, so that's a bonus. I did want to share we have this for 2 months now, and it has been working. I thought about making some labels using my Cricut machine, but I wanted to give me some time to really see if these containers work for my space. You do have to play with it a little bit to kind of see which container works better for the item that you're using. I started with this container with our oatmeals, and then I realized I could use a smaller container, which works so much better.
Out, down with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Oh yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Yeah, let's go. Be free with me. Oh, come on and let's go. Let's be free with me. Yeah, be free. Be free. Be free with me.
It was finally time to start putting things back in the pantry. I did use some of those old baskets that I had, just kind of putting some of our coconut oil and some canned goods that I wanted to keep inside of a basket.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the free.
And you guys, this is what it looks like. I think it looks so much better. You can see everything inside. There's plenty of space to add new items, and you can actually walk inside the pantry. So I will add labels later on, but for right now, I think it works. If you made it this far to the video, thank you so much. And I do hope you consider subscribing if you find this video to be helpful or provide you with any motivation to tackle your pantry or anywhere in your household that may need to be cleaned and organized. Thank you again, you guys, for watching this video. Don't forget to like it And leave me a comment. Let me know some of the things you'll be working around your house. I would love to hear about it. And until next time, you guys, bye.